Hi, it's Gloria here, extending a hearty welcome to you all to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision.
Today's episode is sponsored by Apurva Associates, Mangalore.
First, the news headline from abroad. MCC holds magnificent mega Konkani show Konkan Samram 2008 in Doha. News headline from the capital city Bangalore. Rare canine breeds steal the heart of dog lovers at Mysore Kennel Club's All India show. Here's what we have in our local news. Barry's Welfare Forum Abu Dhabi holds mass marriage in the city. 12 Barry couples enter wedlock. Babsi Rodriguez bags 18th rank in CA final exams. Kanyadi Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji accorded Sadguru title. Elaborate rituals mark Sadguru Pattabhisheka ceremony. And in our entertainment bash, we have a song by Anita Samson and Ronnie Dikunna from Konkan Shahs held in Dubai, song with dance by Maxim Pereira's Boom Boom live show, a song by Music Masti 2007 held at Brahmawar.
Apurva for Apt Lab.
News in detail. In its 15 years of existence, Mangalore Cricket Club organized a biggest event, Konkani Samram 2008 on Friday, January 18th, in which top singers of Konkani music participated and enthralled the Konkani music lovers from across Doha, Qatar. MCC created a history as for the first time, a large number of Konkani singers performed on one stage in a foreign country. Mangalore Cricket Club, Qatar organized a mega Konkani show Konkan Samram 2008 at Doha on Friday, January 18th, in which almost all the big stars of Konkani music were present. Konkani music lovers from all over Qatar enjoyed the show. Sangeet Samrat Henry D'Souza, Yodeling King Melvin Paris, Konkan Kalashri Claude D'Souza, Konkan Manik, Wilson Oliveira and Norbert Pereira, a Doha resident, Anita Samson, Bela and Zina Pereira enthralled the audience with their mind-blowing performance. Jerry Ruskina, the comedian, was at his best in tickling the ribs of an enthusiastic crowd. Dr. George Joseph, Ambassador of India to Qatar, was the chief guest. Alfred and Rita Sequeira of Gulf International Enterprises were the guests of honor. Norbert Pereira's third CD of Konkani songs, Tuzo Muzo Mog, was also released. MCC President Norbert Korda, Cultural Secretary Alvin D'Souza were present. Many of the Bangaloreans view dogs as a style statement and a status symbol, and over the years, dog shows have become an annual event in the Garden City. This Sunday on January 20th, all the dog owners were in Karnataka Veterinary University campus in Hebbal to take part in the All India Dog Show held by Mysore Kennel Club. It is said that every dog has its day, and Sunday, January 20th was definitely the day for over 450 canines at the Karnataka Veterinary University Hebbal campus, where the Mysore Kennel Club conducted its 86th and 87th All India Championship Dog Show. S.T. Ramesh, Additional Director General of Police, inaugurated the dog show. Professor R.N. Srinivas Gowda, Vice Chancellor Karnataka Veterinary, Animal and Fisheries Sciences University, Bidar, was the chief guest. Commemorating the Platinum Jubilee of the club and the Golden Jubilee of the Veterinary College, Bangalore, the show saw the participation of over 454 exhibits of 52 breeds walk the ramp, competing for top honors in the animal world, such as Best of Breed, Best in Group and Best in Show. Apart from dog owners from Bangalore, there were 130 entries from across the country. Each owner tried to show the other that his pet knew more tricks. While the show witnessed large participation from common breeds like the German Shepherd, Doberman, Labradors, Retrievers and Great Danes, what left dog lovers awestruck were rare breeds such as Saint Bernard, Lhasa Apso, Miniature Schnauzer, Neapolitan Mastiff, Collie and Shih Tzu. Babsi Rodriguez of Kulshekar has brought laurels to her school and as well as to Mangalore. BAPSI has secured 18th rank in the CA final exams conducted by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India in November 2007, the results of which have just been declared. BAPSI is the eldest daughter of Frank Rodriguez of Kaikamba Kaudur origin, currently working at Syndicate Bank, Puttur, and Maisie Rodriguez, a teacher at St. Agnes High School. BAPSI has been a topper throughout, having studied at St. Agnes institutions from 1988. She was the Vice President of ICYM unit of Kulshekar in 2006. She has also won the Rashtrapati Puraskar in guiding. The crowning glory of her college studies came when she secured 5th rank in the BCom final examination held by the Mangalore University in 2004. Berry's Welfare Forum is an association of the Berry community members originally hailing from coastal Karnataka, though now most of them have settled in Abu Dhabi. The forum undertakes projects aimed at uplifting the community in the region of its origin. In their effort to serve the community back home, Berry's Welfare Forum Abu Dhabi organized a mass marriage in the city this Sunday on January 20th. The wedding of 12 couples belonging to underprivileged families was solemnized as per Muslim traditions at a mass marriage ceremony organized by the Berry's Welfare Forum Abu Dhabi at Shadi Mahal on Sunday, January 20th. Giving a brief background about the forum, Berry's Welfare Forum President Muhammad Ali Uchil condemned the dowry system as a bane on society. In order to control the marriage budget, the marriage expenses and the menu were kept simple. However, the badam milk, ghee rice, mutton curry and dal made the feast quite delectable. Each couple was allowed to invite a maximum of 100 guests. Former Kannur University Chancellor Professor M. Abdul Rahman, President of Kendra Berry Sahitya Parishad M.B. Abdul Rahman, former MLA K.M. Ibrahim, former Ullal MLA U.T. Kadir, B. Ibrahim and Ahmed Mohiddin were present. Shri Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji, the founder of Shri Ramakshetra near Dharmasthala, is a spiritual leader of backward classes like Billavas and Edigas. It was a special occasion for the followers of Shri Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji this Sunday on January 20th. It was on this day Sadguru Pattabhisheka of the Swamiji was held with devotion. It was a momentous day for the members of backward communities like Billava, Namadri, Divara, Idiga, Thia on Monday, January 21st, when their spiritual leader Shri Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji was accorded the title Sadguru. Elaborate rituals mark the Sadguru Pattabhisheka at Sri Ramakshetra situated near Dharmasthala. The rituals took place between 8 am to 10:30 am. Prior to Sadguru Pattabhisheka, rituals including special pujas, Sarvajna Pita Raksha Homa and Sapta Tirtha Kalashabhisheka of Sri Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji were held at Devaragudde Gurudeva Math. Later, at the auspicious hour of 10 am, Sadguru Pattabhisheka was held, led by Prakashananda Swamiji of Brahma Shri Narayana Guru Pita, Shivagiri in Kerala. Balute to Shri Vikyatananda Swamiji, Shri Parananda Swamiji, Shri Maheshwarananda Swamiji, Arupananda Swamiji and other seers from different parts of the state as well as from the neighbouring states participated in the rituals. Gulbarga Superintendent of Police B.P. Heraje, Madhu Bangarappa and other devotees of Atmananda Swamiji were present on the occasion. Later addressing the devotees, Atmananda Saraswati Swamiji expressed his intention of opening branches in different parts of the country including Rajasthan and Karwar.
ನಮ್ಮ ಸಮಾಜ ಇವತ್ತು ದುಶ್ಚಟಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಲಿಯಾಗಬಾರದು. ಈ ಜನಾಂಗ ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪ್ರೀತಿಸಿದರೆ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಎಂಬ ಪೀಡೆಯು ಕೂಡ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
The Pita's utmost goal would be to lift the community, he added. Well, that's all we had from our news desk today. Now, before we move on to our entertainment bash, let us take a break here. On the other side of the break, we will bring lots of music and dance to enthrall you. So don't miss it, stay tuned to us.
ಮನುಷ್ಯನ ದಿನನಿತ್ಯದ ಅಗತ್ಯಗಳಿಗೆ ಆಸರೆ ಮನೆ. ಅದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸಿನ ಹಾಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಹುಡುಕಾಟವೇ ಬನ್ನಿ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನಸನ್ನು ನನಸಾಗಿಸುವ ವಸತಿ ಗೃಹಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲಿವೆ.
ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮನೆ ಬಾಲ್ಯದ ಕನಸಾಗಿತ್ತು, ಅಪೂರ್ವದಿಂದ ನನಸಾಗಿದೆ.
ಆಶೀಶ್, ಅಪೂರ್ವ, ಅಭಿನವ್, ಅಭಿಷೇಕ್, ಅಮೃತ ಇವುಗಳ ಸಾಲಿಗೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೇರಿದೆ ಅನನ್ಯ, ಅದ್ವೈತ್.
Welcome back. Here we start our entertainment bash with a melodious song by the popular Konkani singers Ronnie Dikuna and Anita Sampson from the Konkan Shahs held in Dubai. Besides this, we have a song with dance from Maxim Pereira's Boom Boom live show held in Mangalore. Watch the artists dancing to the tunes of Amabel Morris and enjoy it.